Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the idea and practice of cultivating a beginner's mind, applicable to both new meditators and those who are more advanced. We will open ourselves up to this practice without assumptions or expectations, leading with an open heart and a curious mind. To begin, I invite you to make yourself as comfortable as possible, finding a supportive seated position. Whether on the ground or in a chair, ensure that your back is straight, your neck is aligned with the spine, and that your arms and hands land softly wherever they may. Gently bring the eyes to a close as you release everything on your to-do list for the next 10 minutes or so. To ground yourself into this practice, I invite you to begin drawing your attention along the pathway of the breath. With each inhalation, watch as the air enters your nostrils, moves through your windpipe, and fills your lungs. And as you exhale, notice the exact same movement in reverse. You might liken this flow to the gentle movement of waves coming into and departing from the shore with grace. See if you might observe a slight pause at the end of each inhalation and each exhalation, sinking into that brief moment of stillness before the next movement begins. Let all expectations for this practice leave you on the out-breath. And an open-heartedness to wash through you on the in-breath. Spend just a few more moments breathing in this way, anchoring yourself again and again through this natural rhythm. The idea of embodying a beginner's mind comes from Zen Buddhism, which calls this concept Shoshin. Shoshin is something we can cultivate as we mindfully soften our preconceptions, our assumptions, or our yearning to have things figured out. When we cultivate a beginner's mind, we embody the openness of a child. We take in each breath, each moment, with a sense of appreciation, wonder, and unlimited opportunity. In the words of the Zen monk Shunryu Suzuki, in the beginner's mind there are many possibilities, but in the expert's mind there are few. So, beginner's mind is equally suitable for new practitioners and advanced ones, as it serves to remind us that we can come back to fresh eyes again and again. In any moment, we are free to begin again. When we are face to face with something that challenges us, we can return to a beginner's mind to open up new possibilities. This modest approach opens up doorways that our expert mind may have overlooked. Let's practice this now, simply by opening our awareness to this present moment, as if we are complete beginners at this. Take a moment to tune in with your posture, making any adjustments that might be necessary. And then return your attention to the breath. As you breathe, begin to harness the curiosity, the openness, and the fresh eyes of a child. Can you find a sense of awe and appreciation for your breath, remaining unassuming of its nature? Practice this same openness and curiosity as thoughts, emotions, or bodily sensations arise. Can you view each thought, each emotion, and each sensation from a place of curiosity, rather than from a place of knowing, assumption, judgment, or criticism? Let melt away all ideas about what meditation is supposed to be. All ideas about how you are supposed to look or feel. And all ideas about the world within and around you. Let it all melt away. Remain curious about whatever arises in your experience, opening yourself up to new possibilities and insights. Now silently repeat the following words, letting their messages reverberate in each cell of your being. I let go of limiting beliefs and ideas. I am open to all possibilities. In any moment, I can begin again. To close this practice, take just a few final breaths here, watching the natural ebb and flow of your breath's rhythm. Draw your attention to the surface beneath you and to the air against your skin. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.